This is what we had done from the last video, and now my mom is going to start lifting this small wall up. The wall is almost up. My dad is tying a rope to it so that he can give the wall a push and make it stand straight and it doesn't fall off the second floor. We've made another wall. This one has a window and it's gonna have a door for the balcony, and we're going to put the sheeting on it and put it up. So we have gotten the wall up, and now we are connecting the two small walls we put up into one big wall, and we're going to have like a entrance area arc kind of thing going and connecting those two walls. So we've set up the scaffold and we are going to connect the two walls. So we have connected the two walls into one big wall, and we are cutting the OSB using a sawzall because the rotor can only cut from the outside and a sawzall still works. Now we are making the inside walls. We've made the bathroom and Dennis's room, and now we are working on my parents' room. We have measured everything out using a chalk line and looking at the blueprints we have, so everything is the way we want it to be. Making the inside walls is similar to the outside walls. The only difference is when you connect the inside walls, to the outside walls, you need to put a vapor barrier. We are almost done putting together the walls we are going to put up. The nail gun works using the air compressor, which is this thing. And if you have any questions about anything of how we make the house, you can comment down below the video and we will do our best to answer them.
So this is Dad's gun. You put these in like that. You pull that back and then put it back so it cracks. So hold it in place. You click the button and then shoots.
We have finished making these two walls, and now Luba is going to lift this small one up. We aren't using the wall jack because these walls are lighter. The wood used for them is thinner and they don't have any sheeting on them, so we can lift them up without using wall jacks. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!